Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Today I have find out here the new UI kits for the fitness apps, and these apps names are the Healtho self-training gyms and fitness app. This design is created by the Ashish Sutake. This UI need to convert into the Flutter as well as the SwiftUI native programming. So need to convert this app UI designs, and then after need to create here the admins apps and the Node.js API we need to develop here for these apps. And to complete apps need to develop here. First of all, need to see this here the use this here the overview, and then after the design process you need to detail and to create here the user flow for these apps. First of all, this is the play screen, then after login screen, then after open here the home screens. This is the bottom navigation bar, top navigation bars, as well as the bottom inside the profile settings, notifications and reminders, and top navigation bars inside the tab bars available the exercise, workout plans, health tips, challenges, trainings and nutrition list. We need to like this are the full flow are the ears. Then after need to wild frame need to ready ears and to showing ears like these wild frames are the settings ears. Then related to styles guides need to give in this here the logo like this UI are the logo creatings. Then color patterns here the use here the 6 colors, as well as need to set this here the pop-in fonts need to use bold, semi bolds, mediums, regulars and different size. You need to use this here the this XD files. Then use this here the icons inside these apps, and this is the buttons UI like this here are the displaying here. Then after here the features of the displaying here the health tips. This is the top tab bars, and inside into health tips screens like this UI are the displaying here. Then after the exercise UI, exercise and challenges like this UI are the showing here. Then after so need to create here the exercise schedules and plans UI like this showing here the these tabs inside the workout plans. Then onboarding screens. First of all need to show this here the display screens, then onboarding screens 3. Then after the here the login screens, phone numbers, verifications, your mobile numbers and verification done screens. Then after OTP verify, and then enters names, select your goals. Then after the selects your age, weights, your heights, and like this you need to set this here. After the here different tabs and detail screens, we need to health tip detail screens. Then after the exercise screens and exercise inside the sub detail screens, and to different body parts you need to which parts are work-ons like this showing here. Then after the in details displaying here how like this exercise details. Then after workout plans, and then after the finds here the workout plans, and to set this here the goals, and to set here the muscle building the inputs and introductions, and to give this here the week wise plannings set like this here week wise which exercise need to set like this. You need to set day by day like this sets here. First week first day like this exercise, and to if complete then to mark as a complete like this, and to details here the show here and challenges. Then after the planning screen like this you need to different screens are the developing years, and to set this years. This is the user profile screens like this UI are the showing here. This is the training tabs. Then after the dietitians tabs, and like this you need to showing this years reminders, notifications and setting screens. And here to download these themes, to click here, and I have already downloaded this years. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care. Every day I need to give us here the daily one by one. We need to screen develop inside the Flutters as well as the SwiftUI.